Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Alan Mickey again. Um, if you're just diving in, I started with introduction in the last tutorial. That was where I introduced myself and what we are gonna be the agenda for this tutorial. So right now we are gonna start writing some codes. The main agenda for this tutorial is not how to teach you how to install Python or how to run Python. No, but running Python is part of it because we are gonna be writing applications or running them. So I hopefully think or believe you have installed Python on your system, whether Windows, Linux. Just go on Google it on your system and install it. If you don't know how to do it, there are so many tutorials that will teach you how to do that. Just go find one, grab it, and do your work. So right now, what I open this is a Python shell. If you have installed Python, you go to your menu. I'm working on Windows 8 Pro, that's Windows 8.1. You go to your app menu, go to apps, the down arrow, and I will take right. Go to Python shell, Python, yeah, idle. Go click on idle, click on idle. It will open and you see this. Now to show if, okay, first to know if you have downloaded and installed Python, open your CMD or your command prompt or your, that's your providing prompt. But I'm working on Windows. You can use Windows shell or use command prompt. So I will type Python and hit enter. If you see this message on your board, that means you have Python installed. Like good, doing this here means Python is installed. You can close it. I'll come back here. Here if you write, type print in bracket some codes. You can write your name, just put Mickey, close the codes and close it. If you hit enter, you see down here, you see Mickey there. That's what we call a print statement in Python. This is a print statement. It prints text, numbers, yes, text, numbers, strings on the screen. So what matters here is this print is a built-in function. It's a built-in Python function. It comes with Python. Don't attempt to do something and think like you just come and say man and you put it in bracket, put some codes there. You let's say just and you just hit enter and think it's gonna give you a result. As you can see, we have trace back most recent call last, which is coming rather from py shell hash 1, and we have line 1 in modules man just, which shows it's not a built-in function. It does not recognize what that means. As you can see here, name error, name man is not defined, which means it is not defined. But to do this, if I put, if I do, come back here and say man is equals to, this is a variable, call it variable in Python. A man is a variable, it's like a container. that will hold something you assign to it. It might be numbers, decimal point numbers, that's floating point numbers, or string. String are just words in double quotes, or a list of objects, like list of names, list of numbers. You can hold, or a dictionary. Don't worry, we'll get to that. Yeah, I can just say boy J, and if we hit enter, you see nothing will print. And if we come and write man down again, if you write man I hit, and you see that boy J printed there. You see the boy J printed, and if you do print and you put this man variable inside print and you hit enter, it will still give you good. Now you see the difference. Here it gave you the man with strings, single strings, single quotes, I mean, but putting it inside print, it never give any quote. So here you can see it give you a plain text, which is boy J. And also you can still do man equals to 25 times 6. If you do that and you hit on man and you see 30, that's the man variable will take 5 times 6, and the Python interpreter we calculate it, that is evaluate it and give you the answer. And you can directly do 9 plus 9 and it will still give you the answer. So Python can be used as a calculator. Yeah, just take it as a calculator because you can do calculations. You can take 3 times 3 divided by 8 and it will still give you the answer. So that's it. So what we're gonna do now, if you wanna write codes, these codes are just temporary. If you close this shell, Python shell, the codes are gonna, you're not gonna see them anywhere. They are just temporary codes. So if you wanna write codes that you can save them for future review or future use, click on file and see new file, or click Ctrl N, it will still do the same. And here you see this window appear. You see untitled up here, and console. This is a text area which you can insert some codes. Here let's see if you can either do file save, or click, you just hit on Ctrl S on window. Mac users or Linux users, you know what to do. The command will show there that the shortcut keys will gonna appear if you hit that too. Here we are gonna save our file on desktop. Here we say hello world. Hello world. This is gonna be our hello world program, and hit save. If you are not using this shell, always put .py. Yeah, that's .py. But since we are using the shell, you can put, or you cannot put. Python automatically put it. That's the file automatically be upgraded by that. You see here hello world.py on the title bar, and here you can just hit print hello hello world, and that's it. If you Ctrl S again to save and you click on run, you can either click on run or you just hit F5. Click on run, and let's see the result. I see down here you see hello world. You can even insert your name. If you come here, there's a comma hello world and then Mickey. I hit save and F5. You see this. Holy cool result. Hello world, and then 5. And you can still do